Alright guys, now we're going for a nice little walk
In Estes?
in a little, beautiful little town called Estes Park, Colorado.
It is really neat. It's quaint.
We'll show you around a little bit as we're here. And we're here with my daughter,
You will
who
not
is
be on camera.
trying to avoid the camera. She's camera shy. Okay, here we are
Warning.
having
Lemonade.
yeah, let's call them lemonades.
Lemonade, right.
Lemonade Aritas.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Lemonade Aritas.
Lemon Ritas, whatever.
Anyway, we're having a beautiful time in Estes Park, and you might be able to hear something in the background.
It's not me sniffing still.
And it's just us sitting right here. We're gonna turn you around slowly.
Right now. So
yes, we're enjoying our margarita. I mean lemonita.
Lemon Rita. Lemonade.
Right by the not raging, but the flowing river.
It is flowing. I'd like to go tubing down that. I mean kayaking or paddleboarding.
Paddleboarding would be a little rough for that.
Remember we did them in
Not that big.
one of them was that big because I was.
Okay.
Remember, you're supposed to read from the list. Okay, honey, you're right.
Oh, that's right. You're right.
You did go
I'm
paddle.
just a horrible person, and I should never disagree with you.
Never doubt.
Because you're always right. And what else did it say? And you were always the queen, and I should always follow your lead.
And I am right. Correct.
That's what it said I should say.
I didn't write those terms. Tweedledee and Tweedledum along the beautiful water. What a beautiful day in Estes, Colorado. Jeffrey.
My baby.
Hi, honey. I dare you to dip your toes, Sid. It's not warm? I mean, it's not bad? Look at that, honey.
Oh my gosh, we have even captured the elusive Sydney, waving as onlookers pass by. What a rare moment of catching something so unique in the wild.
You're kind of dark.
Okay, everybody, I'm going to step in on this video because right after that last clip you saw, we had an issue with Natasha. She decided she didn't want to play anymore or start. I got into the truck and tried to start it, and it said no key fob detected. Well, clearly I had the key fob. So I was baffled. What the heck is it? Could it be the battery? So I take the battery out, put it back in, thinking that might work, and boom, the lock's lock and unlock. I'm like, okay, great. It's connecting to the truck now. But still would not start. So I was baffled. I pulled out the owner's manual, tried to figure it out, and couldn't find anything, so I just went to YouTube, looked up what to do on your Super Duty if it doesn't start, and you get a message that the key fob is not detected. And lo and behold, here's a public service announcement for all of you who drive a Ford Super Duty. If your key fob disconnects from your truck, you have to reconnect it manually. How do you do that, do you ask? Let me show you how. So for those of you that don't know, in your center console here is a little secret place for your key fob to resync itself. I have my iPhone holder here, so I'm just going to unscrew it so it slides out. Then there's this pad in here, and you basically go down, get my big fat hand in there, pull out this pad, and you look down inside there. There's a little slot underneath that pad. But what you have to do is you have to take your key fob bottom down and set it in there just like that, and the truck computer will then see the key fob and you can start the truck. I don't know why this does this, and I also noticed as soon as the truck started and I pulled the key fob out, I could not put it in gear. So I kept it in there, put it in gear, drove off. After about 2 minutes, I pulled the key fob out of there. Everything continued to work. And then every time from then on, the truck started as normal. Locked, unlocked, remote start, everything worked as normal. So I don't know what caused the key fob to lose connection to the truck, but that's all you do is simply put it in this little slot underneath that cup holder, and it'll resync the key fob to the truck. Who knew? Well, although maybe many of you did know. And then I'll just tighten that back down in there. There we go. Now that's stuck in there and ready to go. So there you have it. That's how you reconnect your key fob to your Super Duty Ford should it become disconnected. Now I did get home and I tested the battery, and the battery's fine. There's nothing wrong with the battery, so it's not it. I did, however, go to a True Value Hardware and buy a battery for it. Paid $7, ridiculous. True Value is very expensive. You know, you can buy these batteries all day long for $3 at Amazon, so oh well, buyer beware. You have to sometimes pay more than you need. And now I didn't need the battery in the first place, so now it sits in the glove box. It'll probably expire before I actually have to use it in the key fob. Oh well, $7. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for all of you. Thanks for watching this episode. Don't forget to do all the things, like, subscribe, comment, all that kind of stuff. We really appreciate that. And we have a couple good videos coming up soon. Some national parks we went to above and beyond the Rocky Mountain National Park. We've got Yosemite and we got Glacier coming up and a few more. So look forward to that. All right, on behalf of Joanne, see ya. Make it a great bucket list day. Bye.